stars to be honest. Back again. Absolutely getting hot. Pellet Waggler. To be fair, not surprising in this weather. Gonna get blown away in a minute. Okay. Just quickly talk you through my rig. It's got a 10-foot midi battle zone pellet Waggler rod on. I've got a Shakespeare Mach 2 XT 3500 reel, 7 pound Shimano picking main line with a 6 pound hook length. It's got a size 14 cameras and B960, which is like a dark blue heavy forged hook hide, 6mm pellet with a band, and a 6 gram pellet Waggler. It's just like the little dumpy foam Wagglers. And the disc to stop it diving down. Just keep it on the surface as it enters. If I'm diving too much, then I'm going to come back up straight away. So, again, with the wind, the float is just getting dragged out of position too fast, too quickly. Put that down. And pick up the feeder. Again, I got a mini 11-foot battle zone carp feeder. Brilliant rod for the money. Absolutely fantastic. I cannot knock it. The best little carp feeder rods. And got a 4000 Shakespeare Mach XT reel, super smooth, ultra smooth. I've never had a fault with any of them. I've got about 6 of them, 7 ball bearings. They come with about 4 metal spools, a double handle, single handle. Absolutely brilliant. Had it for years. Again, I've got the 7 pound Shimano line. That's you got 8 pound hook length. This one I've got 14 B911 extra strong. Feeders on. Pellets there. Lines flying everywhere. But at the minute it's just getting silly trying to hold the pole. Double skin down. Press it right down. The pellets are drying out. That's it. Clip off. Pretty much out near the middle. A bit of a sandy bar there. Sink the line. And that Tom says, you're not with the feeder. Said you don't move the feeder. that is it. I'm just picking a few pellets, keeping them going in. That's the top. I might even put a bomb on it in a minute. Put a long hook length on, about 12-inch hook length, 15-inch hook length. Fish a bomb, see if the bomb was any good. I've not had much luck on the pellets. I started earlier on ground bait, or mixture of ground bait and pellets, and I was getting plenty of skimmers and bream on it. I've got plenty, really strong sweet fish meal ground bait and some dead maggots, 5 dead maggots. I was getting a skimmer, bream and chuck. Maybe I should have stuck with it. I changed tactic. So far to no avail. But if you don't try, you don't know. But it's just nice to be out. So this wind lays down tonight because I want to go to the beach tomorrow. And if it's kicking up the surf, that'll be off. Odds. Half an hour there. If I get any liners, any indications. But if not, underarm bait. Still time yet. Still time yet. Right, catch you later, guys and girls. Cheerio.